Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy to reach success in day trading yesterday. Now, let us move on to our presentation. As you all know, that whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These red color candlestick indicate the yesterday's market price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 6425. And I want to refresh our rules. Our rules states that whenever the price is above this green color moving average line, you should stay only in buying. So we made our rules very clear. As you know that we had included a few tools last week, and we will keep explaining about them, so follow our videos continuously. The rule 1: whenever the price is above this green color moving average line, stay in buying. Now let us move on and see that how the market had behaved and how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy yesterday. So after the price opening, it showed that in red color, and we made it very clear whenever the price was within, it provides any signal within the band, and after the price opening we should leave few candlesticks. Even if it can provide us a good signal, we will be leaving few candlesticks, and then we will start trading, because in the market opening we know there is some risk involved in that. So I am going to leave this entry point, and I will be picking the next entry point here. Our charting platform had provided us a signal, so we will be more concentrating on this particular signal. As you know that, just look at the length of the candlestick, and approximately to half the length of the candlestick I will be entering into the trade, and my stop loss is going to be somewhere here, the previous candlestick low. I will be looking into it, and just like that I will be into the trade. So now let's see how we are into the trade. Yes, we are into the trade, and we will see that how much profit we would have earned. Here I want to clarify one doubt. See, few clients and few traders, they have asked us this particular doubt. Whenever I am placing a trade, for example, if I am placing the trade like this, can I consider this lower band as my stop loss? So this is a very good question. So whenever I am into the trade, can I consider this as my stop loss, the lower band price as my stop loss, and shall I trail that, trail the trade? So you can do that. The answer is you can do that. That depends upon your risk taking ability, which means that depends, because whenever you fixing the stop loss, it means that your risk taking ability, which means how much fund you have in your trading account, how much risk you can take. Because in this particular case, if you take that, when you are into this trade, your stop loss is going to be some 10 points within the trading zone. But once you are into this trade, and if you are fixing this lower band as your stop loss, see, the range of the stop loss increases. That depends purely on your risk taking ability. This is the two way. One is go with the rule which we had mentioned you, but if you are saying that, if you are confident, for example, if the market is very strong with the trend, so by that time if you want to take this risk, the answer is yes, you can do that. But always see your trading account whether you can accept that type of pain tolerance. That depends upon your risk taking and pain tolerance ability. Hope I had answered all your questions. So I'll be moving into the trade. So you can see that, so we made some few points after the entering very few points. So the price is entering into the band. You can see that it's trying to test the lower band. So now let us wait and see whether we are again the price bounce back, and still we are into the trade. As we had mentioned that whenever you are into the trade, the change in ash color does not indicate anything new. What is this ash color? Again and again we are repeatedly saying it, so that all the new viewers can understand this. The ash color change from blue to ash color does not indicate a reversal in trend. It indicates that I am just thinking about the trend. That's all. It is a neutral zone. So we are still into this trade. You can see our stop loss is here, But few clients have asked me if you can trail your stop loss based on the lower band. Now you would have been stopped out, so we advise you to trail your stop loss according to the lower band. Why? You can see that initially for the same instance you took your buy here, and now your stop loss is somewhere, the price is moving. Now you can see this lower band is steadily moving. So if you can trail your stop loss according to the lower band, you can protect your risk. So why we are insisting on this is that trading is all about not how much profit you are making, it is all about how you are managing your risk. So this is one best way of managing your risk. Here I will explain you a few instances. Please concentrate and note this down. So for this, in this particular instance, you can see that I am just here. If I trail my stop loss, I would have been stopped out here. But if I place this as a constant stop loss, you can see the market just reached here and bounced back. There is nothing to feel worry about or feel guilty about this thing. You can trail your stop loss. You can see your stop loss zone has narrowed a lot. You can see just a 5-point stop loss, which provides you an opportunity to trade again. That is more important in trading. So now let us move on about taking a next entry zone. As I had clarified you everything, that you can take whenever the price, your buy entry should be just above this upper band. You can fix the rule what we had followed earlier. Here I am going to do is just follow this. I am going to look at the length of the candlestick, and approximately if I place half the length of the candlestick, my entry point is here, and my stop loss point initially will be somewhere here. So this will be my stop loss zone. But see the length of the stop loss, it's very huge. So what you should do is that wait after this type of spike. Normally what you can do, wait for the price to touch the upper band. Just like that, you can see, wait for the price to touch the upper band, and then you can enter into the trade. Now you can see your stop loss, you can see that decrease in your stop loss range. So whenever there is a single spike like this, whenever there is a breakout, don't rush and enter into this trade. So wait for the price to test the upper band, and then you can enter into the trade. So this is one best way. You will master this once you keep practicing and watching our videos. If you keep watching the market live, it's very interesting. You can see still the market, you can see this. If you take this particular entry, you can see we will be running this quite fast. We are not going to enter into this sell trade. As you all know, whenever the price is above this green line, we are very much focused on buying. We are not interested in any selling. So we are going to neglect this trade. For example, you can see this tiny candlestick. This is a very potential entry point. It satisfies all our rules, above the upper band, above this green line. So you can take this trade. Now we can see that how much profit it would have yielded you once you are into this trade. So what you should do is that, as I told you, initially you would have made this as a stop loss, but now you can see initially if you are into this trade, your stop loss will be here. We are more focused on minimizing your risk. Now you should increase your stop loss according to your band, upper band. So see how we are increasing your stop loss. See, just based upon the upper band we are increasing. So what does that mean? It means that you are good in managing your risk. That is more and most important in trading. So now we will run up this quite fast. We will be identifying many key areas, and we will explain you, since this video is purely for educating you how to master this simple day trading strategy. Here the signal the market had provided us a red signal according to our favorite rule number 1, which says that above green no selling. So we are leaving it. So we'll be waiting for a variable signal here. So the market is thinking a lot, and it had provided us a signal. This is a very valuable signal. You can enter into this trade, and you would have made some few profit out of this. See here, now here comes we are waiting for this type of selling, because after a very long consolidation, you can see that the price broke this lower band, and it found a closing below this green color line, which indicates that come on, I am ready for selling. So what you should do is that look at the length of the candlestick and place your sell order. So I am going to look at the length of the candlestick and place my sell order here, and my stop loss will be somewhere here. So what I will do is that normally see, yes, I'm into this trade. Yeah, we are going to make a very good decent profit here. Yes, we made a very decent very good profit in this particular zone. Here I want to answer, I want to clarify another question. See, so I am going to delete this, and I am going to answer you another question, because this video presentation, why we are posting this video presentation, you should know that we are receiving lot of queries from clients and traders across India. So what we do is that in this simple presentation we take a particular case and we clarify all your doubt. So a person has asked us, if I just missed this trade, if I am not before this system, I consider that I missed this trade, where I will re-enter. For this re-entry option we had introduced this band. So what you can do is that whenever the price is touching this band, you can re-enter into the market by having this upper band as your stop loss, 2 points above the upper band as your stop loss. So that will help you a lot. Now you can see where you should re-enter into the market. So this is a very simple day trading strategy. You can see any point where you have missed your trade, but you make a note that it's very clear, whenever you are re-entering into the trade, whenever the price is touching this upper band, it should be in red color. So if it is in neutral color, that is ash color like this, you cannot re-enter. So it should be in red color, or it should come down below this band and show a red color, which indicates that is a potential re-entry point. And you can use these two bands as a very potential risk managing tools. So this is the way of mastering this art of day trading by using our simple day trading method. Now I am going to run this, and I will be clarify. Hope I had clarified few of your doubts. So this is the area how you would have made, I think yesterday most of you would have made a very good profit, because on seeing this particular charting itself, we can identify how much potential you would have made a lot of profit. See, we are not considering this buy signal. I want to repeat this again. This is a perfect buy signal, because above the upper band it had showed something which shows that the market is good for buying, because after a very long time the market provided a buy signal. So there will be a temptation for you whether you can pick this, so that I can get some few points. So why I'm saying this, rule number 1 says below the green color moving average line, no buying, only selling. If you are entering into buying like this, you will be in trouble, like what happened after this. So you can see the price fell down. Even in this particular case, you can see so many buy signals. No, you will be in trouble again. So that is the reason why we want you to avoid this type of false and fake signal. That is a major reason why we had introduced this type of bands and average lines in order to guide you. See how simple is your trading. It is crystal clear. It's just black and white, that's all. The major advantage of using this simple day trading strategy, people think that you can make huge profit, but what we say is that you can manage your risk. You know where you can place your stop loss, you know how much you can expect by placing the stop loss. You can trail your stop loss, and you can trail your profit also. You can extend your profit margins. So everything is within this simple day trading strategy. Please, if you have any doubt, please contact us, and we are ready to provide you a great extent of service for our traders, for our clients, of Goodwill Commodities. We are saying that we have one-to-one training session. Please come and attend our one-to-one training session, where we will be training you in a simulated environment. So simulation trading. So where you can clarify all your doubts. One-to-one training session is there. If you are not our client, please open a trading account with us. Everything is free. So you can see that how much we are concentrating on client's profit. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Keep following our videos. Day by day we will be clarifying all your doubts. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.